Well, I finally made up for my shortage of meat in the house, and I went to Costco and I bought bulk packages of ground beef, chicken breasts, chicken legs, some ribs. I think that's it. Oh, and of course, one package of Balderson's extra old cheddar. Mark just loves this stuff. A box of crackers and 2 things of cream. We've been drinking coffee black, and neither one of us really like that too much. So my big job today is to split this all up into portion sizes. And the ribs, well, there's 2 in this package, so I think we're still just going to leave them 1 in each package, even though that might be a bit much for us. I don't think we're going to get 4 meals out of this. I might be able to get 3. I'll talk to Mark about that. Hang on. Nope, he decided 2 meals is all, and yeah, I think he's going to have a feast and quite a bit of leftover if that's the case, but that's fine. So 1 rack in each package, and they will be frozen, and then I'll have to portion this all off and see how many we get here. Okay. Start off by putting the cheese and the cream in the fridge. We certainly don't need to leave these out. Okay, there we go. Now, I know what portions I want to do these in. Probably 6, because I usually eat 2 and he'll eat 4. So, 6 per package. Sounds about right to me. One. 2. And the other one I have 4 left, so I'm going to put 1 more in each package rather than try to do anything else with this. So there will definitely be leftovers here, but that's fine. I'm going to wash my hands and seal those packages. And I've decided to package my breasts separately because sometimes it just seems like that would be the best way to go. And how many have we got here? So we can either take out 2 or 1, because they're usually pretty big, and then we end up making cutlets and eating only about half of them. So at this point, I would rather package them individually, and if we have to pull out 2, we'll pull out 2. No harm in that. Okay, I think I'm going to weigh the beef and do it in pounds. Okay. Okay, that's just over a pound. Okay. Okay, and each one of these are over half a pound. Okay, so not counting packaging, all of that was around $105. So that's my meat purchases for, this month. Depends on how long we stretch it out and how much meat we eat. Maybe a little longer, but no, I think it'll last about a month. Okay, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Hope you enjoyed this meat haul from Costco. Yes, that's what it was. All right, have a great day.